The power theorems. In this video, I will be showing you the relationship of two chord segments, tangent segment, and two secant segments, and some examples. The first power theorem is the intersecting segments of chords power theorem. In this illustration, the chords are segment FM and segment EA. This power theorem states that if two chords intersect in the interior of the circle, then the product of the lengths of the segments of one chord is equal to the product of the lengths of the segments of the other chord. FR, or the length of FR, times the length of MR is equal to the length of ER times the length of AR. Next is the segments of secants power theorem. A secant segment has two parts, the external and the internal segment. This power theorem states that if two secants intersect in the exterior of the circle, then the product of the length of one secant segment and the length of its external part is equal to the other secant segment times its external part. In this illustration, secant segment AD times its external part AB is equal to secant segment AE times its external part AC. Next one, the tangent secant segments power theorem. In this illustration, the tangent is segment PQ and the secant segment is segment PS. This power theorem states that if a tangent and a secant segment intersect in the exterior of the circle, then the square of the tangent segment is equal to the product of the length of the secant segment and its external part. In this illustration, PQ squared is equal to PS times PR. Let's have some examples. Number 1. In this illustration, segment LN and segment PM intersect at point O. Find X and the length of LN. This is an example of application of the chords segment power theorem. Solve for X. PO times OM is equal to LO times NO. Substitute the given values. PO is 9, MO is 4, LO is 6, and NO is X. Then simplify. 36 divided by 6 is 6. We can now solve for the length of LN. X is equal to 6, and this is the length of NO. LN is equal to LO plus NO. Therefore, the length of LN is 6 plus 6 equals 12 units. Number 2. In the circle below, segment ST and segment QR intersect at point A. Apply the chords segments power theorem in this problem. First, solve for X. The length of QA times the length of AR is equal to the length of SA times the length of AT or TA. Substitute the given values. QA is X plus 4, quantity 5 equals 7X. Simplify. By distributive property, 5 times X is 5X plus 5 times 4 is 20 equals 7X. Combining like terms, 7X minus 5X is 2X equals 20. Therefore, X is 10. Solve for the length of QA. Since X is equal to 10 and QA is X plus 4, therefore the length of QA is 14 units. And for solving the length of ST, X is equal to 10, ST is equal to 7 plus X, that is SA plus AT. ST therefore is 7 plus 10 equals 17 units. Example 3. Refer to the figure below and solve for X. Two secant segments intersect outside. Applying the two secant segments power theorem, 9 plus 7, quantity times 7 equals 14 times X. That is, 9 plus 7 is 16 times 7 is 112 equals 14X. Therefore, X is equal to 8. Next one, number 4 example. In the figure on the left, the length of BC is 10 units and the length of ED is 15. Find the length of CD and EC. Assigning X for the length of CD, applying the intersecting tangent segment and secant segment at the exterior point of the circle. BC squared is equal to the secant segment times its external part, EC times CD. 10 squared is equal to 15 plus X, quantity times X. Simplify by distributive property. 10 squared is 100. 15 times X is 15X plus X times X is X squared. Arrange the terms in standard form. That is X squared plus 15X minus 100 and then equate it to 0 by factoring quantity X plus 20 times quantity X minus 5 is equal to 0. Think of two factors of negative 100 wherein adding them will result to positive 15. So that is 20 and 5. One of them is negative. By the zero product property, X is negative 20 and X is 5. Therefore, the acceptable length is x is equal to 5, and this is the length of CD. So that's it. I hope you have learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!